Alright guys, we are here today to learn or to see how to clean a computer, right? We're gonna clean this computer, which is not that dirty, but just because a lot of people always ask me, how do I clean my computer? What do I use to clean my computer with? Then I'm gonna show you what you clean it with. You need microfiber like that, preferably. And we're gonna be using today these Method all-purpose cleaning wipes, which are disinfecting wipes. The first thing you gotta do is open up this thing, take out one of these wipes and make sure it's not soaking wet, okay? If it's soaking wet, it's no good. It has to be damp like this right here. Not too wet. If it's too wet, you can damage the components internally, can leak inside. That's not good. So to be able to do this, it's very simple. You just wipe here like this with your wipe, like this. Then what I do is I go over with this clean microfiber rag, and then I flip it around right here, clean the other side. There you go, just like this. If it gets dry, you can pick up another wipe, wet wipe, but make sure it's not that wet. If it's soaking wet, you need to squeeze it like this and spill the residue somewhere. And we're gonna clean the keyboard here. Right here, if it's too wet if it's too wet, these touchpad can get damaged, so be careful there. Just clean it like this. There you go, over the keyboard. Make sure you don't turn on the computer. It's better if you do this with the computer off. Once it's off, like here. And we're gonna clean the screen right here. Check that out. Check that out, guys. Nice cleaning. It's a beautiful cleaning. Hold it in the back like this. There you go. Wow. Throw this to the trash, of course. And now the computer is clean and smelling good too. Yes, sir. Thanks for watching. Bye.